Good morning, everyone. Today we are at a conservation area. We're going to go on a really nice nature walk in the snow. This place is right across the street from a golf course, and it's on Ninth Street Louth. It's just a small little parking lot, as you can see right here. So not too many people know about this little nature trail. I mean, a good amount do know, but a lot of people have no idea this is here because it's kind of off of a road right here, and people don't really think that there's trails here, but there is, and they're really nice. So we're gonna go for a nice walk. It's a nice sunny day. It's cold here. It's about -5, but it's nice and snowy here, so I thought we'd come check it out and make our way down there, see how far we can get. I tried to do live today, but I was going to go live from here for my first time, do a live stream, but I could not get it to work, so I'll try again another time for sure. Just noticed this big tree that's been uprooted. Looks like some type of pine tree. Okay. So this area here, it's across the street from Rockway Golf Course, and it's a nice place to bring your dog. Your dog would just have a heyday in here running around. And maybe if we're lucky, we might see some animals today. We'll find out. Just something a little different today. Instead of the falls, we'll change it up a little bit. Something different scenery to look at. It's quite nice in here and quiet and peaceful. So I kind of like that. You can see here there's some tracks leading somewhere. I don't know what the tracks are from. You can see little bunny tracks right here too. So you definitely get different animals coming and going through here. There's some more here. You can see. I'm sure there's deer around here somewhere. Oh, someone's coming. Hi.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Oh, great.
Good. How is it down there? Is it okay?
It's all frozen, so it's okay.
Oh, okay. Good.
Couple
all right.
more days, you won't want to go down there.
Yeah, that's what I heard. So I figured I'd take the opportunity now to enjoy it.
A lot of water.
Yeah? It's pretty.
In the stream, there's a lot of water.
Oh, okay.
Way high. So
Oh, okay.
kinda
Nice.
neat.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah.
So there you go. So now we'll get to enjoy the nice creek down there. And I guess I picked a good day to come here because the man said that, we're getting warmer weather coming, so it won't be good to go down there at all. So you can see down here, it's quite a steep hill down there. But we're going to make our way down there because there's a really nice creek there. And I think that's part of 16 Mile Creek, if I'm not mistaken. If anyone knows, let me know in the comments if that is 16 Mile Creek. And we're also not too far from Rockway. What's it called? Rockway. It's like a nature trail. I think it's Rockway Glen. And there's a big waterfall down there. That's way in that direction over there. Well, it's not really too far away, but a little bit of ways from where I am. But you can see there's a lot of nice snow. And it's not so bad out right now. Now I'm in the sun, so excuse me, it's a little bit better now. Lots of trees, I guess they had to cut down. You can see the little paw prints of people that do bring their dogs down here, because there's quite a nice little hike down here. All the trees that have fallen over here. I guess that would be pretty good shelter for some animals if they needed to go and get away from the elements. Some more, quite a few fallen trees down here. I guess just how nature works. It's so quiet here. I don't hear any birds. I don't really hear anything. Oh, now I can hear a bird. It's quite, the wind is a little bit chilly though on the head, that's for sure. And I didn't wear a hat today, which I should have. Oh, there's some more little nature tracks here of some animal. I don't know what that one would be. There's lots of them around here though. You can see there. They must live like in this area somewhere, hiding out somewhere. Definitely a lot of forest in this area too, as you can see down here. I'm looking forward to making our way down to the nice waterway, because it is quite a nice little creek down there. I came here one time when it was, I think, the spring, or maybe it was summer, but there was some really nice, well, I don't know if they're nice, but the beavers had made some dams. They built dams along the creek, and it was blocking almost half of the little flow of the water. So that was kind of interesting to see. I had never seen that before, so maybe we'll luck out and see that today. We'll find out. You can see here there's lots of footprints here. Bunnies and other animals, maybe dogs too, snooping around. Well, I hope there's no coyotes. I don't want to see that. I don't want to run into them. I don't think they'd be out this time of day though, hopefully. Oh, I can hear a blue jay in the distance. All right, well, this is going to be fun going back up. Oh my goodness. It's going to be quite the trek with all the bumpy snow. Oh, do you hear that? You can hear all the blue jays. It's like a blue jay party, chirping away. Just give you an idea how it looks now from where we are. Seeing we're on like an incline now, making our way down. Yeah, I'm not sure why I couldn't get the live to work. I don't know if that was because of where I'm located right now. It's not a good reception, maybe. It is kind of far out here. Oh, here, now you can see there's the creek. Oh, wow, he was right. It is really high up now. The water, probably from all the snow we've been having. Look at this big pit here all along there. You wouldn't want to fall in there, that's for sure. But it does look quite beautiful out here with all the snow, doesn't it? All right. Okay, now, whoa, it's getting quite steep here. This would be a good area to have a walking stick. Kind of help support yourself on the way down or on the way up. Okay. Oh, it's quite steep. Okay, I'm just going to show you now. See, it's quite high up there. Quite the incline going down. All right. Well, we're making our way now. We're coming up to the creek. You can see there's different trailways you can follow. We can go this way to the right, and we can go straight down close to the creek, and then you can go left as well. I don't know how far left you can go. Well, let's go left a little bit, and we'll just see how that looks, how far we can get. Oh, there's someone there. What are they doing? I hope I'm not intruding on something here. Somebody over there. You can see the beautiful creek here. Isn't that nice? With all the ice on the sides and the sun glistening on it, and it's just slowly flowing. It's very relaxing. Let's just get a nice view of that without any talking. This man, he's got like a tripod set up, so I'm thinking he's a photographer. He's waiting for something probably. Wonder if I can approach him. I don't really want to disturb him though either. Alright. No, it's not too bad here. It's good everything's frozen because then you can walk. Whoa! Ice. This goes over here. I don't know how much further this goes, so you can see him there setting up. Yeah. I don't want to disturb him. Okay, so I think we'll just turn around and go back and go down the other paths. Maybe we can get a few nice pictures in here though before we go back. Alright, we'll make our way back now. See here, I stepped on the ice, but it's not completely frozen there, so I have to be careful. Ooh, okay. But it's pretty good that everything's covered with the snow and it's not muddy. Look at that beautiful creek. So this creek here, there was a couple areas I was at last time. One way over there that I saw, the beavers had built a big dam, and then there was another one down close to where you can see the corner where it bends. Yeah, so over there too is where they built another one. So they blocked quite a bit of the water flow. It's kind of neat though to see it. Maybe we'll see, let's see if we can see any trees that maybe they have chewed on, because sometimes you can see that down here. Another big hole there. See, that's the thing too, coming down here, you have to be careful of where you're stepping. Let's get right close to the creek now. All right. See, isn't this nice? We're gonna get right to the edge here. Nice and close for you guys so you can see it. We can't go any further now because I think it's because the water is so high up over here that it has completely blocked the trail, so we can't get over there as you usually would be able to. So maybe if we take that other trail that was up there, we're gonna try that way and just see where it goes. And I haven't noticed any trees that were chewed over here, so I don't think the beavers have been around here lately. So it's quite nice here though, don't you think? I wonder if there must be fish in there too, I would think. And I wonder if you can fish in here. I wonder if anybody has. I'm sure they must have tried. But it's just so peaceful here. I just really like it. Okay, well, let's try that other trail now. And before we go up to that other trail, I just want to take one more nice picture of that. Okay, so let's go to the other trail now. Hands because I didn't wear my gloves. I don't know why I keep doing that. Okay, so this trail looks pretty decent. Let's see how far this will take us. Up in that tree somewhere. I don't see him though. Oh, there he goes. Okay. Whoa. Well, I see someone has tried to get over there to that other part. The snow is pretty deep there, so I'm not going to do that. All right, it's quite the bumpy trail here. Okay, you can see this big tree is falling over onto the other tree. This nice tree here, it's quite a big one. I wonder what type of tree that is. All right, let's keep going. Okay, you can see. I thought I heard something. Okay. Calling now. He's calling his buddies. Oh, this goes, we can see more of the creek over here. This will be nice. All right. Oh yeah, it keeps going over here too. Nice. The water flows a lot calmer over here. It's quite beautiful. See, wouldn't this be a nice place to just come and have a nice, peaceful, quiet walk? Well, you're with me. You're walking with me, having a nice, peaceful, quiet walk. So I guess we're together that way. But I mean, if you ever wanted to come down here, if you're, you know, if you like nature walks and you're looking for somewhere different to go, this is definitely a nice place to do that. On Ninth Street Louth in St. Catharines. All the ice. Oh, you can probably imagine doing a painting with this. Wouldn't this be lovely? All right, so we're gonna go a little bit further here. See where this trail goes. I noticed there's another trail that went to the right over here. I don't know if that will just loop back around or not. Let's just go see a little more down here and then we'll make our way back. Oh, okay, there's some type of handmade bridge here. How safe is that? Let's see. I don't want to slip and fall and break something. Well, it's not too bad, but now if I go down here, can I make it across too? Probably, but it's so steep. Okay, I'm gonna try. It's not that I'm scared to do it, I just don't know how sturdy this is. Like if it's reliable or not. Oh, okay, I made it. All right. Well, I guess it was a good idea, someone to create that to get across, right? See, out here it's just all natural. Lots of forest area. Okay, I think I heard something. I don't know what it was. Oh, it's nice when the sun is on me, that's for sure. It really helps. Because when you're under the trees, in the midst of the trees, it gets quite chilly, like it cools off quite fast. Oh my God, what is that? Well, that's what you can expect, I guess, way out in places like this, where there's deer roaming around and nature takes its course, I guess. Something was after it. I don't know what though. Probably maybe coyotes, I don't know. Could be. Yikes. Well, okay. I think I want to turn around. Turn around. Oh, this goes quite a ways. I hope there's no animals around like coyotes. All right, well, that was unexpected. I didn't really know that was going to happen, and I didn't really enjoy seeing that, but I mean, that's what happens out here. Oh, now we're right next to the creek. I wonder how deep that creek is. I don't think it would be too deep. You see, that's where we were, way down there. Go a little more this way. Oh, it's kind of very slushy here. Probably not a good idea to go this way anymore. All right, so it looks like you can still keep going that way, but there's a lot of water up ahead. Whoa, and I'm sinking here, so I'm just going to turn around. I think the creek, because it's so high, it's flowing over to the sides. So we're just going to turn around. We go back. Let's go back. Back the way we came. Well, that was interesting. Okay, look at this nice view here with the tree that's going over the creek. I like that. I can get a picture of that. All right, let's keep going. Like it's very quiet over here. I wonder if that person is still there doing whatever they were doing. There's that nice tree hanging over that I took a picture of. Oh, I see. This is the other trail. You can go this way. Wonder where that leads to. Oh, look at this. I didn't notice that when I was coming across. It's a structure of some type of house maybe that used to be here, or wall. Huh, how interesting. That's really cool. It almost looks like there's cement in it. So I wonder what it was. Could have been a house, who knows? Very interesting. See, you never know what you can find out here, obviously, as we discovered. Oh, and there's another trail here. Oh, let's go see. Let's go check it out. Oh yes, gets nice and close to the creek again. Beautiful. Let's get one last view of the nice creek flowing and all the trees. All right. Now, I think I have to go back where I came from because I think it just ends at the water right there. I don't think I can go any further that way. So go back to the other trail. Well, I'm glad I came out here. I really enjoyed it out here. It's so nice. And I got to see some interesting things, that's for sure. Okay. You definitely need some good boots if you're walking here in the winter through this snow. So I would definitely recommend having a good pair of boots on for this. All right. Okay. It's so quiet in here, but you can hear the odd noise of things, animals or birds. I can imagine what it's like here at night. All the creatures roaming around. Well, that person is still there. Whatever they're doing, I don't know. Oh, he's making a fire. Ah, okay. I don't know if they're... whatever. Okay. Making a fire, I don't know why. Okay, so one last look of the creek. In the forest before we head back up. All right, let's go. Well, this is going to be fun trying to get back up here. Oh, it's a good workout. That's one thing I haven't done lately is I was going for a lot of walks, not like for my walking videos, but I mean just personal ones. And I haven't done that in a few weeks. I really need to get back to doing that. Because it's good for you, but it's just been too cold, and all those snowstorms we had, I wasn't really anxious to get out there to do that. Oh my goodness, I catch my breath. It's very steep though. It's a good workout. Okay, let's go. Well, we're gonna come to the end of our walk shortly, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, coming with me on this nice snowy nature walk. And we saw some pretty interesting things, didn't we? Nice creek. That was really nice. I really enjoyed that. Okay. Oh, I'm pooped from that. I'm tired. Okay, well, thank you all so much for coming along with me for the walk. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now.